But one thing I think we did not realize is that sometimes certainty can also be more dangerous.
Limiting.
Yeah, that's the term.
Mm.
Bakit tayo nag-move from nomadic hunter-gatherer to now being in the village?
Mm-mm.
Because we want the security. Alam natin na paggising natin, walang saber-tooth tiger na, alam mo yun?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it makes sense.
Yung meat ng mammoth, it became money.
Yeah.
It became paper.
Correct. Because all of a sudden, you get too comfortable.
Mm.
Alam naman natin, pag nasa comfort zone ka, what do you settle?
Mm.
And that's where the curiosity dies down.
Yeah. You know, we actually get to discover more opportunities.
Yeah.
We discover more opportunities. And with opportunities, of course, a higher ceiling of income.